Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to sign up on new social platform called Trade by Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook. It's a new app that linked with Instagram, and also show you how to increase your followers very fast with this 3 simple steps. And if today is your first time visiting my channel at Bizyjoe.com, please do well to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. So in order to do that, let me go to my Play Store. If you're on Android, if you're on Apple Store, if you're using app, you can go to Apple Store. So you need to search Trade by Instagram. So this is a particular app, this Trade by Instagram. So you click on install. I've already installed it on my phone. Just click on install. So once you are done installing the app, what you need to do is just go to the app, click on the app, open the app. You need to link it with your Instagram account. Once you have Instagram account, you are going to link your Trade app with your Instagram account. So it's very easy. So you are logging in with your Instagram detail. You are not signing up with any other information. Just log in with your Instagram detail. So it's signing me up. So what I need to do is just to put my Instagram account. So let me try. So as you can see, I'm adding date of birth. So let me find date of birth. Let me just put let me click on save. Yeah. So let me just leave this like this. So I've actually signed up on, as you can see, you have asked me to import from Instagram. So I can actually import this from Instagram. So I'm importing everything from Instagram to make it easy and all that. So you can follow, these are your users that are already on this particular platform. So you can follow as many as you like. So you can follow. So once you are done, you go, so join Trade. So I'm now joining Trade with my account. So once you have your Instagram account, you are good to go. So it's loading. Wow, so you have actually completed the sign up process. It's very easy, as you can see. So this is my account, confirm. So this major also, I've already gotten 1 follower immediately. I just sign up. I'm just getting 1 follower, as you can see. So what I need to do, so I've actually signed up on this. So what I need to do, if I want to create a post, it's very simple. You can type anything, come from your gallery, import photo. So let me post this particular stuff here. So you post it. So post as many as you can. So in order to grow your account on this, what you need to do is just to come back and start replying on people's trade. If you see popular trade, what you need to do is just click on that trade. You just reply. If you are replying up to 20 or 30 trade on this particular trade, are you turning in today? So you can just say anything. Yes, people will see your trade. They will start following you. They will start liking you. So this is just how simple it is to grow your account here, because this is a new social media platform. So once you start engaging with other people's trade, people will start seeing you. They will start liking you. And also make sure to be posting on your own account. You post on trending stuff. Once you post on trending stuff, then people will start accepting you. They'll start to follow you. Before you know it, your account will start growing. So this is exactly how you can be able to grow your new account on Trade. If you find any usefulness on this particular video, please do it to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. So thanks for watching this video.